Alright, a cooking video. There haven't been many cooking videos because I've eaten out a bit and I've been cooking a lot of the same stuff. So I figure I'm going to do you a cooking video, but it's going to be the same stuff. Got the grill going. Corn on the cob. So corn on the grill is my favorite way to do corn. It's the only way I kind of do it now. And 20, 25 minutes, anywhere in that range, you're good to go. So it's cooking. Then we'll add the burgers. Alright, now I'll just roll them around a little bit.
So basically you're grilling and steaming these.
Keep flipping it every 5 minutes or so. Alright, now it's time to move the corn around so the burgers can go on.
Yep, it's going to be burgers with this. I use sriracha and in this case Montreal steak seasoning, and I mix it all in a bag with a pound of 80-20, and then I use a nice little form so they look like real burgers.
We're going to flip. Alright, we're going to flip again.
The report was a psychological evaluation done by another psychologist, but it wasn't employed by the state. In California, before a license like this one goes in front of the state, they're given a psychological evaluation by a state psychologist. And as part of these evaluations, the prisoner is given a test to determine if they're a psychopath. All license up to
Alright, flip again.
I know I flip more than some people do with burgers, but I get really nice grill marks and they come out super juicy, so I'm happy with my way of doing burgers.
Yeah, getting there.
For me, the flipping is to try to get that balance between a good char and nice medium rare inside. P.S. I'm sorry the angle wasn't a little bit better for this one.
Oh, those are going to be good burgers. I'm going to shut the grill off here in a second. No cheese hash, just American cheese. I need these gloves to shuck the corn.
It can be a bit of a pain to shuck them this way because they are really hot and you need the gloves, but I think it's a great way to cook them. The corn just comes out so nice. The gloves also help to get the silk off. And some people will cook them straight on the grill without the husk and get a little bit more caramelization, but I think I've found that I like this way to give it a little steamed, and then it never does hurt to put them back onto the grill, and that'll cook off any little stuff you missed, and will also keep them nice and warm for you.
Alright, you get the idea. GoPro, stop recording.
I really do recommend these silicone gloves, especially while camping, because you can do stuff like this on the grill and not burn your hands at all, because it's never fun to burn your hands when you're cooking great food. You can't tell from watching, but you're going to have to trust me on this. I make a pretty darn good burger. Get these plated up in time to eat.
Alright, 3 burgers and 3 ears of corn. Gonna eat them.
As per my always, I have to do a sriracha smiley face to make a great burger even better. And then I use things like this. This is garlic peppercorn. I put it on the corn. Tastes fantastic. Makes me have a great and wonderful day.